You know,
Nakaturo. Tinan mo yung video. Ay, hindi, nawala. Nawala. Kasi kanina nakaganon siya eh. So,
Ah.
pag game 3 na tayo.
Snats, specifically the Snats chose, mas naging maganda din yung rotation na meron siya.
Komportable itong si Benny Cutie kaya siya yung naging MVP ng
Yep.
match na to. But talk to us about JP as well.
Yeah.
Pangalawang beses na niyang gumamit ng Jawhead in this specific series.
Yeah, and yung pagkakapili dito ng Jawhead coming from Daddy JP, I think hindi din siya naging nagkaroon ng deaths all throughout the match. Parang towards the latter stages na lang. Kasi nga, hindi siya parang aligaga na kailangan ako yung mag-set up because again, going back to what I have been mentioning a while ago, it was Sanford that has been mainly parang setting up the team for success. Yung mga flicker plus Way of the Dragon combination. And then for RSG Philippines, they have no way to counter that out unless tatama yung